Okay na. All good. Alright, yellow ball. Drives in, pull up jumper. Yes. Number 11, Ron, 2 points. Pasok, number 8. Number 70. Topik. Parang may karot ka na. Lakas. Bell. Two points, number 12, Moreno. Pamangkin ni German Moreno. Kunga for 3. David. Number 11. Sumobra, sumobra. Basket. Yung tabi lang, basta may passport, pwede mag-travel. Number 50 to number 59. Uy, hindi nakatingin. Sayang. Ganda ng pasa, number 6 for 2. Uy, na-intercept. 12. Oy! Walang foul, nakatayo lang, nakatayo. Straight defense lang. Konga for 3. No good. Rebound by number 8. Pag walang pito, walang pito. Number 86 to number 12 put. No good. Yellow ball. Bill. 59 to 70. Another 3. No good again. Number 97. Lays up. No good. Rebound by number 40. 41. There's a foul. 86. Foul. Warning 86. 4 fouls. Ay, wala. First person na ba? Una pa lang. Number 59. Oy! Offensive foul, 59. First foul on 59. Number 6. Number 12, Moreno. To number 97, pull-up jumper. Pasok. Easy basket by number 50. Number 50 now. To number 11. Number 11 looking for opening. To number 70. Another 3. Yun! Basket this time. Hello! Hello, hello. Number 6. Number 6 goes in. Leads up. Basket. Walang tubig. Walang tubig eh. Number 11. '97 goes in. Pasok. Another 3. No good. Rebound by 97. Basket. Lumalayo na, lumalayo. Konga goes in. Leads up. No good. Yellow ball tayo, yellow ball. Another 3. No good. Wala talaga, malas. Oy, intercepted. Easy basket by number 41. All right, number 12. 4-3, no good. Good timeout block. Timeout block. Pumasok na sila. All right, back to the ball game. Number 23, Gonzalez. Pass to 22. 97 for 3, no good. Number 11. Yun! Oy, sayang. Pasok! Number 11. Another 3. Wala talaga, malas. Cannot make it. At saka walang depensa. Ay! Offensive foul, number 12. Offensive foul, number 12. Number 11, looking for opening. Nakuha ng 41, tumikot, wala. '97 again. Lakas. Lakas ni Efren. Efren Bata Arias ang lakas. Kaya yan ni Jun. Malakas din si Jun eh. Yon, pumasok. Number 41 for 2. Another 3. Yes! Number 4 for 3. Idol ko yan. Picture na yan. Pasok, number 11, 2 shots. Another three. No good this time. Yeah, kitang-kita. Last touch block. Number 11. Another three. Wala talaga. Malayo ang... Kanina pa yan, hindi tumigil. Oy, there's a foul. Number 50, foul. 2 shots. (5-0) foul, 2 shots. No good. End of the first quarter. One more shot. End of the first quarter. No good. Wala talaga. Malas.
All right, welcome to PB Originals. We would like to thank our sponsor this evening, Penta Properties. And we have plenty of our sponsorship. I would like to read you guys. Floor Deluxe, Pokeball, Hype, Masagana, and window tinting, and no other than our worldwide media channel, Angie Custora YouTube channel. I would like to request all you guys, families, guests, and friends, can you please subscribe to our one and only Angie Costura YouTube blogger? If you want to see our live game, you can tune in and Angie Costura vlog. PB Originals. All in all, I would like to thank for our sponsorship of this evening. All right, this mic will go back to Mr. Jap Ombino.
All right. Back to the ball game. Black ball. 23. To number 23. Oh, intercepted. Number 41, lays up. Galing, ganda. Ang ganda. Pinoy step. Yun ang Pinoy step. Number 4 to number 14 to number 86. Rebound by 41. Oy, sayang. Intercepted. Number 23, Gonzalez. To number 4, 4-3. Yun na naman, pumasok na naman. Mainit ang kamay ng number 4. Mainit pa sa hot. Number 11, sumagot ng 3. Yes! Umuulan ng 3. Number 23. To 22. To number 4 again, tumira ulit. Wala this time, rebound by 22. Ganda ng rebound. Number 11. Another 3. Wala. Oy, last line ball. All right, back to the ball game. Number 86 now bring down the ball. Number 86 to 23. Pull up jumper 23. Yes. Oy, no good. Rebound by 86, nagmamadali. Intercepted. Oy, wala pala. Bumalik ang bola. Oy, another foul on number 50. Second personal foul, number 50. Sino nga yung pangalan ng Pintahouse mo? Hindi si... Pasok ang pangalawa. Number 50. To number 11, another 3. Wala this time. Rebound by number 50, 41. Oh, there's a foul. That's foul rate. 22. Pasok ang una. Wala ang pangalawa. Rebound by number 11. Oy! Play on. Oy, offensive foul. Kitang-kita. 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 Offensive foul number 23. Bigyan ng bigo yan. Number 50. For 3, number 11, no good. Rebound by 53. 31 ounce the ball. Symbol tayo, symbol. 17 seconds to shoot. Substitution, rep. Substitution. 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 All right, back to the ball game. Another 3, number 11, no good this time. Rebound by 86. 86, number 2, to Marino, to number 8, basket, number 8, easy basket. Number 59. Oy! Black ball tayo. Substitution, rep, substitution. Dito mag-sub sa table, dito mag-sub sa table. Alright. Good, ganda ng depensa, pasok. 86. Corpus, JB Corpus. Pamangkin yan ng ating hukuman sa Pilipinas noon. Number 50 to number 70. Oy! Symbol tayo. Ay, last touch yellow. Last touch yellow. 23 now. Bring down the ball. Number 12 goes in. There's a foul on number 59. Substitution, red. Substitution. 59. Second personal foul. Second personal foul, number 59. Basket ang una. Moreno. Pamangkin ni Herman Moreno. Tiyahin niya si Alma Moreno. Pasok ang pangalawa. Number 50. $59 goes in. Wala, lakas. Oy! Basket yun, basket. Symbol, 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 symbol. Hindi doon, na-shoot doon. Pero si Reyes ang nag-tap na shoot. Number 8 goes in, leads up, basket. For 3, no good. The number 8. Number 8 to number 12. Up! 41, blocking foul. Number 41. Ilang foul na yung 41? First personal foul, number 41. Wala. Wala ang pangalawa. For 3, yes! Wala ng 3 ng number 11. So, number 86. Pull-up jumper, lakas ang tira. Rebound by number 59 to number 70. Number 70 now to 11. Reyes number 50. Oh, there's a foul. 97. Two shots tayo, 2 shots. Oy, shoot. Mayroon pang 2 shots ulit. Bawal po yun, bawal. Alright, another 2 shots. Yun, pumasok na ang una. Pangalawa, pasok din ng pangalawa. Number 6. Number 6 goes in. Leads up. Tapalbong Kasel. Oy! Sayang. Marino. Pasok. Number 11 to number 41. For 3. Wala. Rebound by number 8 to number 12. Wala. Number 97 to number 6. Offensive foul. Timeout block. We acknowledge the presence of our sponsor, Pinta Properties. Ranis Castillo is in the corner. Anyone to inquire property, just go in the corner over there. And there is a big discount given to anyone. So just check it. Pinta Properties. Maglaro sa Division 1 yan. Alright, number 70. 70 goes in. Leads up, no good. Rebound, jumbo. Black ball tayo, black ball. Side ball. Number 97 for 3. No good. Intercepted. Yellow ball. Walang foul. Last touch lang. Last touch. Yellow ball. Yellow ball. Oh, there's a foul. Number 97. 97. Second personal foul, 97. For 3. Negative. Rebound by number 59. Ay, nagaw. Number 12 goes in. Basket. Oh, there's a foul. Basket count. In one, number 12. Number 9 foul. It's Stevie Wonder foul. Basket ang bonus shot. Number 59 goes in. Ganda ng pasa. 41 for 2. Easy basket by number 41. Palitan mo siguro. Paramin kayo. Oy, sayang. Basket, Leon. Oh, there's a foul. There's a foul on number 6. Sandali. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. All right. Violation. Violation. Numbers 86. 97 for 3. Yes. 3 points, 97. Number 70. 17 tumira, wala talaga. Sab na yan, tagal eh. 86. 8 goes in. Number 4 for 3. Wala this time, airball. 11 yan na. Oy, airball, kunuhan ng 41. Basket. 2 points on number 41 from number 4 now. Number 4 to number 6. Five seconds to shoot. 4. Up! Shot clock violation. Shot clock violation. Bola rep. Bola yun. Lumusot. Shot clock violation. Number 70. Line ball. Number 4. So number 8. Lays up, shoot. Up. Yellow ball. Yellow ball. All right. Number 11. to number 70. Wala talaga, malas. Naka 30 tira na yan. 97. Goes in. Basket. Oy, lakas.
Number 10, personal foul.
Abot na, taas ni Wiro tumalon. Abot yung ulap. No good. Rebound 97, you basket.
Rebound number 6.
Time out, yellow. Time out, yellow. Game number 3, get ready. We have 2 quarters to go. Division 1 in action. And this program is brought to you by Colgate. Wow, referee, Rep, ano masasabi mo, Rep?
Okay, we play hard but don't play dirty.
Okay? Mga hatang ang tagbiko po. Ito, vlogger, may biko daw, sample daw ni Charlie. Isa daw, isang sample. Number 11. 41, oy, there's a foul on number 11 block. Paul Manzano. 11 foul. 2 shots. Nangangati na ang lalamunan, walang biko padulas. Mo lagi. Kasam. Ako ang free home cup eh. Free ako kung biko. Si Paul rin. Puro tanan. Number 23. Number 11 for 2, no good. Rebound by number 50. Oh, intercepted. Oh, Blanca. Good defense, good defense. Isa pa. Basket. Ganda ng depensa. $10 yan pag Blanca, $10 ang bayad. Pag mablank, $10 ang bayad. Number 50 goes in. Oy! Mababa ang lipad ng bola. Number 23 to number 4. Number 4 to 11. Ay, ganda ng pasa. Sayang wala. Nakuhuli ng number 4. Keep going, keep going. Ganda ng pasa. 3 in 1. Yun, 41 for 2. 41 for 2. Number 22 now. 22 to number 23. Oy, 97 for 3, no good. Rebound by, oh, there's a foul. Number 22. Number 22 foul on block. Warning for penalty block. Intercepted. Good defense, good defense. Traveling violation. Traveling violation. Time out! block, timeout block. Alright, back to the ball game. This program is brought to you by Biko. Symbol. Eleven for three, no good. Rebound by 23. Oy, pinasa. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng pagkapasa. Ganon, Ron. Maganda yung ganon. Give away, give away. Number 70, wala talaga. Noon pa yan. Basket! Number 41 to 59, Lee's up, yes. Number 23, to number 4 to 23, Lee's up, no good. Easily up by number 41. Oy, muntik na. Number 12 for 3. Yes. 3 points, 3 points. Basket number 41. Number 22 to number 4. Number 4 to number 12. Pull up jumper 3, shoot. Number 70. Lays up, yes. Number 70. Gonzalez, nagdi-dribble. Number 22 to number 11. 11 to number 4. 5 seconds to go. Pull up. Boy, swerte talaga. Lucky shot. Tagdodua na lang. Dua-dua ba? Wala? Oo. Pa-transfer ko na lang ngayon. Number 17, Liza! Yun, pumasok. Kaya ka na. Sige, sige. Number 12. Number 12, bring down the ball. Pull up, boy! Tapal ball Casel. $20 yun, $20. Ganda. Oy! Yellow ball. Substitution, rep. Substitution. Substitution. Ang ganda ng pasa. 41, 42. Moreno, nagmamadali. Pinasa to number 6. Pull up. No good. Lakas. Rebound by number 50. 17 is up. Oy, Blanca din. Symbol. Tama block, tama block. Alright, back to the ball game. Number 50. Pinasa ang galing. 41 for 2. Konti na lang. 20 points na lang. Number 4 goes in, pull up. Basket. Number 50. Number 50. Pass to number 11. 11 goes in, pull up. In and out. Play on. Tunga for 3. Yon, finally. Oh, Jong is in the house. Yeah, Jong is in the house. Oh. Traveling violation. Traveling violation. Jong, magbiko ka muna. Another 3. No good. All right. All right, number 6. Wero in the house. Dribble goes in. Finish. There's a foul. #59 foul. Third personal foul, number 59. Huh? Saving Tigers, oh no, there's a foul. There's a foul. Dave, get Biko. Second personal foul, number 8. Kaya nga, adik talaga yun. Dumating na yun. Nalagay. Malakas din yung kinabatang ko, sinasabi na sila eh. Mga malakas yung mga yun. Yung sinasabi, dalawa lang sila eh. Yung 45, walang ginawa yung 45 kanina, ginagawa nila dito. Hindi siya na best of player. Naka-full foul pa siya. Number 4 for 2. Ang tatangkad yung dalawa din. Oh, fuck you know. Oh! There's a foul on number 8. Third personal foul, number 8. Hey, Dave, get some Biko. Come on, man, come on. Good for basketball, this food. Basket ang una. Pasok ang una. Pasok, pangalawa. Nagsab. Anong channel kayo? Anong channel kayo? Hindi kayo nanonood sa channel eh. Number 8, number 6, to number 12. Up! Number 4, basket! Another 3. Oh, it's a layup by number 70. Number 6, Suero.
Number 26. Line for penalty na.
Moreno to number 4, no good. Nasanay sa malayo.
Pasok.
Ang ganda ng depensa.
6-1,
Oy, basket number 70. 2 points number 70. Konti na lang, 1 minute. Konti na lang ang oras. Intercepted. 41 lays up, pasok. Corpus. Four again, tumira ng Chris. Wala this time. Galing yung pasa ni Wiro. Ni Wiro ang bola. Malas talaga. Shake hands boys, shake hands. Shake hands, shake hands.